In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Veed.io subtitle font. First, make sure you already have your project open in the Veed editor. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your clips and subtitles are laid out. Find the subtitle track and click on one of the subtitle segments. When you select it, the timeline will highlight the specific areas where that subtitle appears in your video. Now, move your playhead, which is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video, into one of those highlighted subtitle areas. This is important because you want to actually see the subtitle in the video preview while you're changing the font. Positioning the playhead over a subtitle ensures that any changes you make are visible right away in the preview window. With the subtitle still selected, look to the left side of the screen. This is your properties panel for the subtitle. Here you can adjust how your subtitles look and behave. Make sure you switch to the Style tab in this panel. The Style tab is where you'll find all the visual customization options for your subtitles, including the font. Once you're in the Style tab, you'll see a variety of subtitle font options. Take a moment to browse through them. Each font has its own personality and readability, so think about what best matches the tone of your video. For example, you might want something clean and simple for tutorials, or something more playful for casual content. When you find a font you like, simply click on it. As soon as you do, you'll see the new font applied to your subtitles immediately in the preview window. If your playhead is positioned correctly over a subtitle, you'll be able to see the change in real time, which makes it easier to compare different styles and pick the one that looks best. You can also hit play on your project to watch a short section of the video with the new subtitle font. This helps you check that the text is easy to read at normal speed and that it still looks good against your video background. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. Your subtitle font has been successfully changed in Veed.io, and you can continue editing or export your project when you're ready.